will see in the question, it is said that block of mass 10 kg kept on a wrap and can help a single figure. ठीक है, जगह थोड़ा compress बनाने, the 10 kg placed over. The force 3 Newton is applied on the block. 3 Newton applied on the block. Block के ऊपर 3 Newton force applied है. The coefficient of static friction between the plane and the block is 0.6. So the static friction between the plane and the block is 0.6. Okay. So what should be the minimum value of force P, that is P, such that the block does not move downward. So we have to so it means that the block should be in equilibrium. If P minimum is applied, then the block would be in equilibrium position. Okay. Now we'll draw the FBD, all the forces applied on the box, 10 kg, then we will solve the question. So now you can see I have drawn all the forces acting on the body. So you can conclude that only if we equal all of if we apply the equilibrium, so we can find some equation and after that we can solve it. We will think that force applied. Sin equal to 10 cos 45 degree. There is not relevant to this. You can type. There is for the process, but for solving question we don't require because we have to find P minimum. So I'm writing that 10 sin 45 plus 3 equal to P plus F minus plus static friction. Then 2 plus 3 Newton. So F plus mu G cos 45 degree. मी का वैल्यू क्या देता हूँ, मी का वैल्यू क्या है 3/5 0.6 को हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, G cos 45 degree म्यू को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 3/5 तो सॉल्व कर मिलते हैं cos 40 का वैल्यू कितना है एंड सेम जो sin 40 if you solve the equation, then the solution of P will be. I have done it. That's why. Thank you.